Welcome to a defining moment in the journey of Codix Group, the commissioning of Codix Bio Limited. Our story began in 2008 when we launched full operations with just 5 passionate individuals. Today, Codix has grown into a family of over 250 professionals reaching 12 countries across sub-Saharan Africa. What drives our growth? A deep and unwavering commitment to transforming healthcare in Nigeria and beyond. From launching Colexo Biosensor, Nigeria's first blood glucose meter factory, to today's commissioning of Codix Bio in partnership with SD Biosensor, we keep pushing boundaries. Today, we proudly commission Codix Bio, our second factory built in partnership with our technical partner, SD Biosensor. Our goal? To serve Nigeria, ECOWAS, and ultimately all of Africa. With a projected capacity of 147 million test kits annually, Codix Bio is the first of its kind in West Africa and is poised to become one of the largest and most advanced diagnostics manufacturing plants in sub-Saharan Africa. At Codix, we're not just building factories, we're building a healthier future for Africa. Codix, Africa's health tech future.